An update was just released on the Notion desktop app 4.12.1, and here are some changes that I noticed. The first is whenever you duplicate a page in a database, which you can do so by pressing Ctrl D, it now shows a bracket 1 at the back, and as you duplicate it, the number just keeps increasing. But the weird thing is, even when you put the bracket by yourself like this and you duplicate it, it will still increase that value as well. So which means that, let's say if I were to change this number to, let's say 15, and I duplicate it, it will increase it to the next value, which is a little weird but quite interesting. So I'm not sure if this feature will stick or not, but if it does, you can create some sort of automatic ID counter by doing this. But I'm not sure why you would want to do that instead of just using the ID property, but hey, maybe someone would find a use case for it. The second improvement is the plus icon on the tab. I actually really like this because previously you have to press Ctrl T to then open a new tab, but now you can just click on the plus icon and it will do the same thing. And they also added this sidebar toggle button, sidebar lock, sidebar gone. Okay, and the next improvement is singular page now have tabs. So if you don't already know, you can drag a page out of the tab and it will create its own new window. So now you would have two Notion window open. So previously this top bar here would not be shown if you only have one page open, but now since they changed it to where it will still show even when one page is open, you can now just drag the tab back to another window just like so. I mean, we all know this, right? It's literally just like a browser, so you drag it out and then you drag back in just like so. The little annoying thing is that it will still leave the window open, so hopefully that will be changed soon. Speaking of annoying, you can click off this video already. This is just me venting. The previous update made it so whenever you start typing, focus on the top bar. You'll notice that whenever I start typing, it will just randomly disappears and it will come back whenever I move my mouse. I find it annoying because I usually just see the top bar and then look at where I want to click, then only I start moving my mouse towards that direction. However, now I have to move my mouse to the top and then wait for the tabs to appear, then only move my mouse left to right depending on which page I want to go. And I'm pretty sure this is a bug, but maybe because this template is live on the marketplace, that whenever I type here, it doesn't actually make the top bar disappear. But honestly, I do prefer it just having it shown like this all the time. But I can understand some people wanting this feature because it then let them focus better. So maybe they can add an option to let the user choose whether they want it or not, maybe in the settings somewhere. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've noticed so far. Let me know if you like this type of update videos. I don't normally see it in the Notion space, probably because it is quite a subtle thing, but I do enjoy seeing what has changed even for a very small update. Also, I just created a free Notion Discord community. You can join it by clicking on the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.